Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, finding a remainder in JavaScript. The remainder operator percentage sign gives the remainder of division of two numbers. Example 5% 2 equal to 1 because math.flow 5 by 2 equal to 2 quotient 2 into 2 equal to 4 5 minus 4 equal to 1 remainder. So it's just calculating the remainder. And so usage in mathematics, a number can be checked to be even or odd by checking the remainder of division of the number by 2. So 17% 2 equal to 1, 17 is odd. 48% 2 equal to 0, that is 48 is even. Note that the remainder operator is sometimes incorrectly referred to as modulus operator. It is very similar to modulus but does not work properly with negative numbers. So it's similar but it's not exactly same as it doesn't work with negative numbers. The task for this challenge, set remainder equal to the remainder of 11 divided by 3 using the remainder operator. So it should be 11 divided by 3 using the remainder operator. 11% 3. So run the test and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.